Chapter 18 Realms of the Earth. Our Earth is the only planet in the solar system which sustains life. The components required for the sustenance of life are present only on the Earth. Life exists on Earth due to its three realms: land, water, and air. These three realms represent the three states in which matter can exist: solid, liquid, and gaseous. Lithosphere. Lithos means rocks, and the word lithosphere refers to the surface of the Earth, which is made up of land, rock, and soil. The solid uppermost layer of the lithosphere is known as the crust of the Earth. It consists of two types: an upper layer of lighter continental rocks called sial, rich in silicon and less dense aluminium. There is a heavier lower layer of crust, making the ocean basins called seama. It has rocks rich in denser materials like magnesium. The crust has an uneven surface with many different features such as mountains, hills, plateaus, and plains that are distinguished on the basis of height above sea level. Such features are called landforms. Continents. There are 7 continents in the world that make up 29% of the Earth's surface. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. Asia. Asia is the largest continent. It is separated from Europe by the Ural Mountains, the Ural River, and the Caspian Sea. Africa. Africa is the second largest continent by size. Both the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn, the equator, and the prime meridian pass through it. It is separated from Asia by the Suez Canal. North America. North America is the third largest continent in area. River Mississippi is the longest river of the continent. South America. South America ranks 4th in size. It is bordered on the west by the Pacific Ocean and on the north and east by the Atlantic Ocean. Europe. Europe is the 6th largest continent. It is bounded in the north by the Arctic Ocean, in the west by the Atlantic Ocean, in the south by the Mediterranean Sea. The Ural Mountains separate Europe from Asia. Australia. Australia is known as the island continent. It is surrounded on all sides by oceans and seas. It is the smallest continent. Antarctica. Antarctica is centered around the South Pole. It is permanently covered with a thick sheet of snow and ice. Hydrosphere. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes, and rivers. The Pacific Ocean. This water body separates Asia and Australia from North America. It is the largest ocean, covering an area of about 16 crores 62 lakhs 41,8 800 square kilometers, which is greater than the area of all continents put together. The Atlantic Ocean. This ocean separates Europe and Africa from the North and South America. It is an important ocean through which all important sea routes pass. Its coastline has many important harbors. The Indian Ocean. It is the only ocean named after a country. It is situated to the south of India, west of Indonesia and Australia, and east of Africa. The Arctic Ocean. It surrounds the North Pole and lies within the Arctic Circle. Bering Strait connects it with Pacific Ocean. Atmosphere. The gaseous envelope that surrounds the Earth is called atmosphere. It exists in several layers around the Earth. Structure of the atmosphere. It consists of various layers of the atmosphere. Troposphere. Tropo is a Greek word which means turning. All the changes take place in this layer only. This layer is mostly disturbed and is a dusty zone containing water vapor and cloud. Stratosphere. This layer extends up to 50 kilometers. There is no temperature variation in this layer. The ozone molecules present in this layer absorb all the heat from the sun and reflect back the ultraviolet rays into the atmosphere. Mesosphere. Meso means intermediate. Temperature decreases with the height from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. This layer lies up to 80 kilometers. The absence of ozone molecules cause fall in temperature. Thermosphere or ionosphere. The lower part of the thermosphere is called ionosphere, and the upper part of the thermosphere is called exosphere. The ionosphere is called so because of the presence of electrically charged particles called ions. Exosphere. It lies beyond the thermosphere and extends up to a height of about 750 kilometers. The atmosphere in this layer is very thin. Very high temperature, 1600 degrees Celsius, is found in this layer. Slowly, this layer merges with the interplanetary space. Biosphere. The narrow zone of contact between land, air, and water is called biosphere. The word biosphere has been derived from the Greek word bios, meaning life, and the Latin word sphere, meaning total range. Every living species on the earth is part of the biosphere. The organisms in the biosphere are broadly divided into plants, animals, human beings, and microbes. Plants, animals, and microbes provide us a large variety of food and raw materials. Our survival on the earth depends upon the biosphere.